I'm going to make the 4th of July Tooter for you. It can be made, it can be layered, it can be made into a shot, but tonight I'm going to make it into a nice, say, martini for you. I'm going to start off with a little bit of ice in the glass. We're going to use equal parts. I say equal parts. I'm going to use an ounce jigger. The jigger I have is an ounce on one side, half ounce on the other side. We're going to use an ounce of grenadine, with this juice from the pomegranate. Look that one up. 1 part vodka. Again, a little bit extra. We all do it. And 1 part blue curacao. Like I said, you could layer it. As you can see, it's beginning to layer, but we're going to go ahead and make a drink out of it. We're going to make a nice purple drink. We have a chilled cocktail glass. Chilled cocktail into a chilled cocktail glass. Can't beat it. There should be a law. Strain into your nice chilled cocktail glass. And you have one pretty flavorful drink. 4th of July Tooter. Enjoy.